Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do a very quick update for my e-commerce store. This would be the second video for my e-commerce stores. So I would like to just give some update for this campaign. All right, so by far I haven't get any sales yet. So as you can tell, purchase is 0 here. Okay, so result purchase is 0, but I start to get some traction for the reach, and also I started to get some clicks as well. So I got 10 landing page view, and 17 people click on my link. This link clicks means people who click the destination link, the link destination that I provide on my ads. Okay, so once they click here, they're going to be lead to the landing page. So by far 10 people see my content, which is my offer. So it's pretty good. At least I know that the ad is working and my landing page is working as well. This is very important in order to proceed to the next steps. All right, if you, this is kind of like the first level of ads, so you need to make sure people be able to see your offer first. All right, so only after that they're going to do the next thing, which is add to cart, which is still 0 right now, and then at the end of the day, if they're interested, they're gonna click purchase and purchase your offer. Right? So but I'm not really satisfied with the numbers here. I need more people to see my content in order to get a sale. Okay, but one thing that I could determine from these ads, these 3 ad sets here, is by far this is the ads that show me the well performance in terms of the image. Right? So as you can tell here, this is the ads that got more reach, 1000 reach compared to this one, and this is also the one that brought me more clicks. Okay, so I would say, I think I would off both of these ad sets and just maintain this one over here. And because of the numbers is not good enough, I will narrow down the targeted the location. Right? So as you can tell, previously I target the entire people who live in Malaysia, but instead now I'm going to duplicate this asset, because in terms of image, it's proven that the image is good, and in fact you can turn on the performance and clicks to see the CTR. Right? So let's take a look at the CTR for these ads. The CTR all is 3.65. Right? So by far this is the most engaging, and this ad set is the most high CTR. So I'm going to turn off both of this ad set and going to remain this one, but I'm going to duplicate another 2 ad set and adjust the targeting, because previously all these 3 ad sets were open targeting, and now I'm going to narrow down the targeting, and I also gonna narrow down the location targeting as well. So let's do it now. I'm going to turn off this ad set and this one, and I'm gonna click duplicate this ad set here. I'm going to choose existing campaign, conversion fiber flags, and then click duplicate. So now I'm going to target people from city only. I will put it KL, so Malaysia, KL 25. The image would be the same, and I'm going to adjust the location here. All right, people who live in this location, I'm going to cancel this one. I'm going to put Kuala Lumpur. So Kuala Lumpur is the city of Malaysia, so it's gonna be narrowed down a bit instead of target the whole country. But now I'm only targeting the city. All right, so this is city, so people will more likely have more power in purchase. Okay, so, and I also going to adjust the detail here. I'm going to search something related to weight loss. There's not so much interest in Malaysia language. Okay, I think by far I'm just going to leave it blank, right? Because it's pretty hard to target the weight loss niche in Bahasa, because it's not available here. Even if I type the influencer in weight loss niche in Malaysia, also it doesn't appear. So I'm just going to leave it blank. And yeah, the only thing that I did is only narrow down the location. Okay, so that is pretty much it. So it will be Malaysia, KL, and the range of the age is will be the same, unisex, and image 1. Okay, so I'm going to click publish this one. Okay, this ad set is published. Okay, now I'm gonna copy another one and use the existing campaign, duplicate. So now I'm gonna target another city in Malaysia, which is Selangor. Okay, so everything would be the same except the location. So scroll down and going to change this one to Selangor, Malaysia state. Okay, so it's gonna be narrowed down a bit more, so we're gonna see how it's going to turn out. All right, so that's all. Detail targeting will be the same, open, and that's all. Click publish. So I hope by doing that I'm gonna be able to reach more people, because my budget per ad set is relatively low. All right, so with that much of budget, I will not be able to reach more people if I target the whole country. So another method to reach more people within slightly low budget is by narrow down your targeting. So hopefully I could reach more people, and we will see how it's going to turn out. So thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up if you could learn something from this video. All right, so see you on my next video. Bye bye.